It Works Wow smooths your wrinkles. In 45 seconds, you'll start to feel it working, and in 45 more seconds, all you'll be able to say is wow. It Works Wow instantly and temporarily reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Active peptides and proteins enhance your appearance for firmer, younger-looking skin. It Works Wow revitalizes the appearance of the skin, giving a smooth, plumped appearance, and reduces the appearance of under-eye puffiness for a brighter-looking you. I dare you not to say wow when you see your results. To apply, simply massage the packet to activate ingredients. Dispense onto fingertip and dab product in a thin and even coat in light sweeping motions. Remember, less is more. Pat away excess product and avoid facial movement until completely dry. I dare you not to say wow.